Hello, all the warriors. This is Roy. Welcome to Rank. And today I'm going to bring you guys to a store called X Evolutions, and that's a place. They have a track is placed in their shop, usually for people to play, and also because today they're hosting a race today, so I'm going to join the race. So for this video, I'm going to bring you to the shop and show you the directions and how to get to the store. Okay, so let's start today's video. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video, you will know it right away. Thank you. So right now we are arrived to the Qizang stations, and we are looking for the exit number 1. Here we're gonna cross the street and turn left. So now we just need to walk straight about 10 minutes to that intersection. And now I just realized my bracket of the selfie stick has problem, so it makes the screen shaking is pretty bad. And here I want to say sorry about it. And now we arrived to the Zhongxin Road. And here we just need to turn right and then go straight, and take about say 3 to 4 minutes, and the store will just show up at our right hand side. Okay. Okay, so now we arrived, and you can see the people is setting up the place right now because I'm kind of early, and so they are still preparing for the race for today. And you can see on the first floor they have the track is already set up, and there's at the back there's some tables, and that's where we can seat. And later on they're gonna set up the table on this place as well. There's some empty spot. Okay, so now let's take a look at today's racetrack setup. So here is the start, and then it's a turn, another curve, turn, and first AB jump, a second AB, and another turn, then slope, then tabletop up, and 20-degree bank, wave, slope down, another turn, then a lane change, another turn again, then wave and slope tabletop up, down, and back to the start lane. So now let's take a look at the second floor. Is usually set up for the people during the business hour, then where we can play. So this is the place they have for all the players if whoever wants to come, and this is the open to the public. Okay. Okay, so now let's also take a look at what the racetrack is set up here. So that is a long slope, and I believe that's the 40-degree, and another slope behind the bank, then curve, and the 40-degree, and then another slope tabletop up just one straight, then another curve and all the way here down, lane change, and the tabletop up, and here they're gonna connect to this brick bridge. So you have to jump from the second floor all the way to the first floor and back to the here. NANI?
絶対死なねえからよ。行くぜ。
对啦，他们就是要照整个轨道了。
Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.